Today, let's talk about building an ergonomic culture in the workplace. Creating a workplace where ergonomics is integrated into every aspect of work life requires a multifaceted approach. It's not just about purchasing ergonomic equipment, it's about fostering awareness, understanding, and a shared commitment to well-being. In our today's lecture, we'll explore strategies for promoting the ergonomic awareness and empowering employees to take charge of their ergonomic health. Why is ergonomic awareness important? Before we explore the strategies, let's discuss why promoting ergonomic awareness is so crucial. Injury prevention. The more employees understand ergonomic principles, the better equipped they are to identify and address the potential hazards before they lead to injuries. Improved well-being. Ergonomic awareness empowers employees to make informed choices about their workplaces and habits, enhancing their comfort, health, and overall well-being. Increased productivity. When employees feel comfortable and supported in their work environments, they are more focused, engaged, and productive. Reduced costs. Fewer injuries means lower healthcare costs, reduced absenteeism, and increased productivity. A win-win for both employees and employers. Positive workplace culture. Promoting ergonomic awareness demonstrates a commitment to employee well-being and creates a more positive and supportive work environment. Strategies for promoting ergonomic awareness. Now let's explore some practical strategies for promoting ergonomic awareness in your workplaces. Training and education. Offer comprehensive ergonomic training programs that cover basic principles, the risk factors, and practical solutions. Make training interactive, engaging, and relevant to specific job roles. Communication campaigns. Use various communication channels to raise awareness about ergonomics. This could include emails, newsletters, posters, articles, or even the social media posts. Ergonomic champions. Identify and train ergonomic champions, employees who are passionate about ergonomics and can serve as resources and advocates for their colleagues. Visual reminders. Place ergonomic posters and infographics in visible locations throughout the workplace. These visual cues can serve as gentle reminders for employees to maintain good posture, take breaks, and adjust their workstations. Ergonomic checklists. Provide employees with checklists they can use to assess their own workstations and identify the potential problems. Wellness programs. Integrate ergonomic education and resources into your company's wellness program. Offer workshops, webinars, or individual consultations with ergonomists. Incentives and recognition. Consider offering incentives or recognition programs to reward employees who actively participate in ergonomic initiatives and promote a healthy workplace. Lead by example. Managers and leaders should model good ergonomic practices and prioritize their own well-being. This sets a positive example for employees and demonstrates a commitment to ergonomics at all levels of the organization. Tips for effective ergonomic communication. When communicating about ergonomics, keep the following tips in mind. Keep it simple. Use clear, concise language that's easy to understand. Avoid the technical jargon and complex terminologies. Make it relevant. Tailor your messages to specific job roles and departments. Highlight the ergonomic challenges and solutions that are most relevant to your employees' work. Use visuals. Incorporate images, infographics, and videos to make your messages more engaging and memorable. Tell stories. Share real-life stories of employees who had taken benefit from the ergonomic interventions. This can make the message more personal and relatable. Be positive. Focus on the benefits of ergonomics rather than the negative consequences of ignoring it. Encourage participation. Invite employees to share their experiences, ask questions, and provide feedback. Make it fun. Incorporate fun and interactive elements into your ergonomic campaigns, such as quizzes, challenges, or contests. Promoting ergonomic awareness is an ongoing process. It requires continuous communication, education, and support. By creating a culture that values ergonomic health, you can empower your employees to take charge of their well-being and create a more productive and enjoyable work environment.